Hi, I'm Anna Marie Pabalan, graduate from Holy Cross College with Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. And I took Magsaysay Cruise Career Preparatory Program. And I also work at McDonald's for almost a year, where I developed skill in cleanliness, following standard procedure, and teamwork. During my time there, I was recognized as a Racing Star Award. I was also selected to be part of children's party and at McDonald's where I help create fun and enjoyable experience for the guests. One of my weaknesses is that I'm not very confident, good in speaking English, but I practice regularly and I also try my best to communicate clearly. One of my strengths is being friendly, positive, and enjoy helping customers and work well with my team. From my work experience, I learned that the importance of working quickly and efficiently, which is also important in housekeeping. In housekeeping, you need to prepare room pass while still maintaining quality standards. My dream is to become part of seafarer industry where I can grow and build successful career. That's all. Thank you.